Like any other discourse, there are specific terms used in narratives to describe automotive vehicles. Those that have been around the hobby for generations have learned a special language used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Many, however, especially those who are new to the hobby, do not have that luxury. In this video series, we will define some of the common terms, and show examples from our extensive library of visual content. After all, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Sometimes terms are hard to define without using other terms, and many terms are very interrelated. We have done our best to keep it simple, yet adequately make the definition. They are not presented in alphabetical order. Let's start with a somewhat humorous definition for a car as defined on the Hamblen County Car Club website. A car is a wheeled motor vehicle used to spend money on, show off, waste time cruising around in, and sometimes for transportation to work, to pay for it. The definition of antique depends on whom you ask. Generally, it's used to mean a vehicle that's 25 to 30 years old or older, but hobbyists, car clubs, licensing bureaus and insurance companies are all free to set their own meaning of the term. Using a 30-year definition, any car built in 1993 or older is now an antique. As with the term antique, there is no single definition of classic accepted by all hobbyists, car clubs, licensing bureaus or insurance companies. Some people use the term to describe a car that falls somewhere between their definition of antique and a brand new car. Others use it to describe specific models. For example, the 1955, 1956 and 1957 Chevrolets are often called the classic Chevys. These 3 years of Chevrolets are also called the Tri-5s. The Classic Car Club of America has trademarked the term full classic to describe a car that's on its list of acceptable classics. To cruise is to drive in a laid-back fashion, or with no particular place to go. A cruise-in is a short, informal event that occurs over several hours on a single day. Generally, they are free to attend, either for spectators or for participants. You can arrive when you want, and leave when you want. The Hamblen County Car Club allows all types of antique and classic vehicles at their Saturday night cruise-ins between April and October. There is no limit to type, year, or condition. It just has to be your passion and be safe to drive. Station wagons are versatile cars that combine passenger space and cargo capacity in one body style. A beach wagon is a term for a station wagon. Often used by surfers after the vehicle was too worn out for daily use. They easily haul surfboards and can be slept in. A woody is a vehicle that incorporates natural finished wood for structure of exposed body panels. Mentioned in Surf City by the Beach Boys. A sedan delivery vehicle is a two-door station wagon, with solid body panels instead of windows on the sides at the back of the car. A panel delivery vehicle is an early commercial vehicle with 2 doors in the front for people, and 2 doors at the rear of the vehicle for cargo. One of the definitions of a deuce is a 1932 Ford. My Little Deuce Coupe was made famous by the Beach Boys. We feature this iconic car on our club logo. There you have it. That is all the definitions we can fit into a 5 to 6 minute video format. We presented terms from general, body, body style, brand/model, and event categories. How many did you know? We are not finished yet. Stay tuned for definitions, part 2.